Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide cash on delivery based on some state or provenance, right? So, like no, for Northeastern state, most of the stores will not give cash on delivery. So you can hide for those states. That's one use case. And you can also select some other stage you don't need to give cash on delivery. So that's we'll be discussing on this video. So for this, I'm using the Nex Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video. So after installing the app, you can open the app. So you can come to this particular section, limit cash on delivery. So click on this configure button. You can enable the global rule, right? Then you can select the cash on delivery payment method. That's first step. And if you already have any cash on delivery fees associated with cash on delivery, you can also select those delivery methods. So I don't have any fees. So I'm just making it disabled. So after coming to the section, you can see a location, right? So click on this location, then you will be seeing restrict based on state. So I'm enabling this feature. Then from the condition, you select allow or hide. So we are selecting hide for some states. So you need to give state codes. So state codes means for Kerala, it's KL. Then if you need to hide for some other states, for example, you can give comma. There should not be any spaces. So you need to hide for Karnataka. So you can have KA. It's Karnataka state code. If you need all state codes, you can click on this link and you'll be able to find the state codes. So I'm hiding cash on delivery for Kerala and Karnataka and just saving the changes. Perfect. So the changes are saved. Now we get back to our online store. I'm just reloading it for making the changes is live. So I'm just trying to check out. So now the country is Denmark. I'm changing to India, right? And selecting a test address, and you can see it's showing Kerala an address. So state is Kerala, pin code is from Kerala, and you can see cash on delivery is not available, right? I'm giving any Delhi pin codes. For example, this was a Delhi one, so I'm just giving a Delhi pin code. And you can see cash on delivery is available. So this is how you can hide cash on delivery based on states or provenance. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.